Governments sometimes limit how money moves across borders. Let us look at why countries use exchange controls and how they actually work. Exchange controls are government restrictions on the purchase or sale of foreign currencies by residents or for foreign investment. While many nations allow free movement of capital, others implement strict rules to protect their domestic financial stability. The primary goals are usually protecting national reserves, managing inflation, and preventing sudden outflows of investment capital during crises. In a free market, currency prices fluctuate based on demand. Under controls, the government steps in to override these market forces. Methods range from limiting how much foreign currency you can buy for travel to setting different exchange rates for different types of goods. Always remember that while these tools provide stability in the short term, they often carry long-term trade-offs for economic growth. Understanding these global mechanics helps you grasp how international finance functions. Check back for more basics on how the world economy works.